Is your inbox getting cluttered with too many emails? If you want better organization, your iPhone 17 lets you create custom mailboxes or folders inside the Mail app. This makes it easier to sort important messages and keep everything in its proper place. Here's how to create a new mailbox in Mail on the iPhone 17 series. First, open the Mail app and make sure you're signed in to your email account. If you're currently inside your main inbox, tap the back arrow in the top left corner to return to the Mailboxes screen. On the Mailboxes screen, tap Edit in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap New Mailbox. Enter a name for your new mailbox. You can choose something descriptive like Work, Receipts, or Travel. When finished naming your folder, tap Location, then select your preferred location where the new mailbox or folder is stored. You can place it under your Gmail account, iCloud, or within an existing parent folder such as Important or Start, depending on your email provider. Once everything looks good, tap Save in the top right corner. Your new mailbox will now appear in the list under the location you selected. By then, you can start organizing emails by moving them from the general inbox to the new folder you created. If you ever want to edit or delete the mailbox, just return to the Mailboxes screen, tap Edit, then select the mailbox you created. From there, you can rename it, change its location, or delete it if needed. Don't forget to tap Save after making any changes. And that's it. If this video helped you organize your emails better on your iPhone 17, give it a like and check out our other videos to discover more useful features you can use every day. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tips.